Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Wise to your bank account. First of all, log into your Wise online or in the Wise app. Open the Wise desktop site or log in on the app for convenience. You will be taken to your account overview where you can check your balance and set up the withdrawal. Then select the balance you want to withdraw from. You will see the currency balances you have open and the funds you hold. On the left hand menu, if you are using the website, or along the top of the screen if you have logged in using the Wise app. Choose the currency you want to withdraw from and tap or click. Now enter the details of the withdrawal. Click send. You will see it with an arrow icon in the menu, and enter the amount and currency you want to withdraw. If you are converting your balance to another currency in order to withdraw it, you will instantly see the exchange rate and fee that's all that will apply to the withdrawal and how much you will get in the end. Now confirm the account you want to withdraw to. Next, you will need to add the details of the account you want to receive money to, or choose yourself as an existing recipient if you have withdrawn funds to that account before. If you are withdrawing to the account for the first time, just follow the prompts to enter all the details required. This can vary a little depending on the currency, but will likely include the name the account is held under, the account number, bank name, other relevant information such as routing number for USD transfers. And finally, click send money. Check everything over, and once you are ready to go, click or tap the send money option. Your money will be on the way and you will get a notification when it's been sent. You can also track your transfer by accessing your account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.